Ciao amici, Christina here. In today's video, I show you how to make your own powdered sugar with either cornstarch or if you're grain-free with tapioca starch. Shopping during the holidays can be quite stressful, so if I can avoid going to the supermarket, I do. One thing that I often forget to buy is powdered sugar. I got so frustrated with forgetting it one year and I didn't want to go back to the supermarket, so I just figured out how to do it myself. In checking the ingredients of powdered sugar, I noticed that it only had two: cane sugar and cornstarch. I can totally do that, so can you. In order to make powdered sugar yourself, you will either need a blender or a food processor. Making powdered sugar will not work with this, with this, with this, with this, or with this or this. And that's because you need a blade in order to turn it into powder. You need 200 grams of any type of sugar, and 8 grams of either cornstarch or tapioca starch. Now pour all of your ingredients into your blender or your food processor. I am using my dry ingredient container from my blender, but you can use a regular one. Whoa now! Blend on high for about 30 seconds. SMOKIN! Now pour your sugar into a container. Let me tell you something, this wide mouth funnel is one of the best purchases I ever made. I highly recommend it. Here's an important tip. Cornstarch and tapioca starch love to suck up moisture really quickly. You're going to want to use this immediately or just before your dessert, as it will start to dissolve within about 10 minutes. You want to store it in a container and make sure to use a fine mesh sieve and sift it before using. So what you will do is you pour a little bit in here and then just kind of knock it against your hand. Sometimes the cornstarch will clump and you don't want clumps of cornstarch on your dessert. If you have extra and won't be using it right away, then you can store it in the freezer for up to 6 months. What dessert do you use powdered sugar on? Leave me a note in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our future videos. Ciao for now!